Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we are going to find a unit normal to the surface xy³z² is equals to 4 at the point -1, -1, 2. Alright, so given surface is solution. Alright, so given surface is xy³z² equals to 4, right? So phi is equals to x comma y comma z, which is equals to xy³z². All right. So hence the normal vector is given by del phi equals to I into dou phi by dou x plus j into dou phi by dou y plus k into dou phi by dou z. All right. So differentiating phi partially with respect to x comma y comma z respectively. All right, we get dou phi by dou x is equals to if we are differentiating this, so we are going to get y³ by z². So now let's find out at point -1, -1, 2. All right, so dou phi by dou x is equals to -1, y is what, -1 whole cube into 2 whole square. So this is going to be -4. Similarly, dou phi by dou y, which is equals to, let me partially differentiate this with respect to y. So that is going to be 3y² xz², right? So let me write it 3 into -1 whole square into -1. This is z whole square, so that is 2 whole square. So this is going to be -3, 4 4s, 2 2s are 4, so 4 3s are 12, so it is going to be -12. So dou phi by dou z is equals to, it is with respect, partially differentiating with respect to z, so that is, this is going to be 2xy³ which is going to be 2 into -1 into -1 the whole cube into 2. So this is going to be -1, -1 into -1 is +1, so 2 2 2s are 4. All right, so this is the simplification. So at the point -1, -1, 2, the equation that is at point -1, -1, 2, del phi is nothing but -4i minus 12j plus 4k, right? This is 12, this is 1. Now 4 I can take it common, so -4 if I take it common, I will get I plus, here I have minus, right? So minus into plus is minus, 3j, here I have plus, so minus into minus is plus, minus k. All right, so therefore unit normal to the given surface at the point -1, -1, 2 is nothing but unit vector n is equals to del phi divided by magnitude of del phi. Let's find out. So it is going to be -4 I plus 3j minus k divided by 4 into 1 plus 9 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 9 plus 1, which is equals to 4 and 4 will get cancelled, minus I plus 3j minus k divided by square root of 11. So this is what unit normal to the given surface at the point -1 comma -1 comma 2. Right. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, subscribe, hit the bell icon and give a thumbs up.